Righto, you don't have to be on social media to know this dance. From the kids to their grandparents, like them, they're all doing the dirt. Some of us the mud. Neville is doing the mud. You will see it shortly. The creator of the move, sweeping the nation, Tariq Shamar Pennicott, is here this morning with this clean dance move. Just clean is a good word to describe it. Virgin, morning.
Morning.
You are a 14-year-old student, am I right?
16.
16 years, fourth form at Bridgeport.
Yeah.
How long have you been dancing?
Well, I've been dancing from a tender age of 7. Well, I stopped at a moment because I had a cousin that played football and me and him started to play football. So dancing wasn't in place at the time. So we
You're a
stopped
baller
dancing.
and a dancer.
Yeah, so
And
we
it's too
stopped
early right
dancing.
now,
We stopped dancing and started to play football. And then after that, we have some bigger cousins. There's the other dance group. So seeing them started to dance, we wanted to dance again. So we started again, and from there.
But at 7, who was dancing around you that made you, decide that I love dance? Or was it just something that you just love to do from?
Well, I used to see a dance group, Clean Skankers.
In your
Normally
community?
watch them dance, yeah.
Okay. So how long you been making dances though?
Well, I made my first dance last year,
And what one did they?
Dirt Bunks.
Oh, that one, the
Yeah.
first one? And your
First
first
dance
one
I ever
just
created.
gone, Virgin. But, okay, so what inspired the move? And why you call it dirt?
Well, it was because the day that the dance was established, I was dancing, I was kicking up the dirt. So when I'm friending up on dirt bunks. And that's how it was named.
It makes perfect sense to me. You're dancing,
Yeah.
you were bouncing, and you were kicking up the dirt.
Yeah.
So it just become the dirt bounce. So how did it take off? So you started doing it. How did other people start to do it? And then
Well,
the
it
whole
was
of
a
Jamaica?
viral video when there was at the Caymanas Mineral, and one of my friends went to the selector and said, "Yo, we have a new dance in the selector. Why you play that tune for me?" And the selector played the song, and when we walk out, crowd start real beating me and say, "Yeah, man." And from that day, when I went home, I saw the video, 100 and odd views on Instagram.
100,000, you mean?
Yeah.
So Tariq, you just hear the music and the music makes your body move a particular way.
Yeah.
Because when I see this dance, it reminds me of Aji a little bit.
Yeah.
Except Aji is
More,
forward, but you're...
yeah.
So are there other dances that you would have drawn on, or it just naturally comes out of you?
Naturally. Naturally.
You're a born dancer.
Yeah.
That's what it is. It's true. We have 4 minutes in this segment, and I think Neville is going to need all of them. So Tariq is going to... the man begs with me, the man says, "Look, I show you, say I don't need all of that time." Tariq is going to show us the dirt bones. You're working on another one. Which one are you working on?
It's called Put It Down.
You can show us Put It On this morning too?
Yeah, sure.
All right. But we can start with, I must admit, I've been trying to do this dance for a while, but I feel like...
You should just ask me and made that sure, because Tyree
I
can't
should have
dance.
done that,
You
man.
know you had a better dance,
Why didn't
Go
I
on,
do
Tariq,
that? Wait.
Wait, no.
No, Bedrin, you're working with 2 old people.
All right.
Well, one.
You're
Not
working one old
one.
person.
Nev, move over a little bit.
So we're going to start slow.
So you have to, right.
Yeah, go on.
1, 2,
Wait,
1,
no, man.
One.
One,
2,
1,
2.
You know that not easy.
Wait.
I have the
Wait.
wheel
Right,
No, wait, you're going too far now, man.
3. His right foot, left hip.
Yeah.
So Put It On is next.
Yeah.
Dirt has gone. So in the future, you want to be a choreographer? Is
Well,
that
right
what you
now, I'm a recording artist.
You're a recording artist too?
Yeah.
So you're a recording artist, dancer, student.
Yeah.
So when fifth form done, you're going straight into your other careers.
Most likely.
Wish you all the best.
Sure.
A lot of young people have made a good change
Yeah.
and made good notoriety of dancing. Take your talent to the world.
I will.
Run the bounce again. Come, Nev. With that,